A very warm welcome to a new episode of Leaders of Tomorrow Season 11. I'm Ritvika Gupta and today I'm in this beautiful city of Kanpur speaking to one of the largest producers of quality spices and food products in India, Goldie Group. What's been their journey like and what's the road ahead for the company in the near future? We'll find out today. India, popularly known as the land of spices, holds the distinction of being the largest producer, consumer and exporter of spices globally. In recent years, India has experienced a rapid growth in the production of various spices. Last year, the production of spices stood at over 10 million tons, while exported spices was worth over $4 million. As per the International Organization for Standardization, India produces about 75 varieties out of the listed 109 spices, and the Goldie Group is a significant player in the spices market of India. A market leader known for its high-quality products such as Goldie Masala, the group was founded in 1980 by two young entrepreneurs, Som Prakash Goenka and Surendra Gupta. The company has also established itself in the international market by adopting a dual branding approach which serves the Indian diaspora globally. Let's first hear it from Shri Basanlalji Goenka, founder chairman of Goldie Group, about the story behind the brand and how it all began. तो कहते हैं कि हर सक्सेस स्टोरी के पीछे कोई ना कोई कहानी होती है। गोल्डी ग्रुप की कहानी क्या है?
हम लोगों ने जो मसाला का काम करने की सोची तो उन दिनों बाजार से मसाला खरीदने का रिवाज कम था। बाजार के मसालों पर भरोसा भी कम था। ब्याह शादियों में भी मसाले सब घर में कुटवाए जाते थे। पिकनिक के लिए मसाला चाहिए तो घर में महिलाएं मसाला देने के अंदर जो है ना उनको खटता था। तो हम लोगों ने सोचा कि पूरी ईमानदारी से और पूरी साहूकारी से मसाले का काम किया जाए। तो हम लोगों ने इस काम को शुरू किया और ये सोच करके किया कि बिल्कुल ईमानदारी से काम करेंगे, कोई कंपटीशन में नहीं पड़ेंगे, अपनी लाइन पर चलेंगे।
ये गोल्डी ग्रुप का जो नाम मिला, वो नाम कैसे आया?
ये हमारे एक मिलने वाले थे, मित्र थे, उनको कोई इष्ट होगा या कोई सिद्धि मन में होगी, उन्होंने कहा नाम हम देंगे। उन्होंने एक दो दिन बाद ये स्पेलिंग हमको लिख करके दी और एक सरदार आया सिंह थे जो डिज़ाइन का काम करते थे, ये लेटरिंग उन्होंने डिज़ाइन बना के दी।
अच्छा। तो
इस तरीके से ये, और ये हिंदी में जो गोल्डी लिखा हुआ वो हमारे हाथ से लिखा हुआ है।
किन मूल्यों के आधार पर ये कंपनी बनी और क्या वो वैल्यूज़ अभी तक इंटैक्ट है?
हमारी एक नीति रही कि उठो और उठाओ, मैं गिरो और गिरा वाला काम नहीं करना। एक एक दाना बिल्कुल बिना जाता है, साफ़ किया जाता है, जरा सा तिनका कंकड़ वगैरह मशीनों से साफ़ होने के बाद मसाला तैयार होता है। आज भी बाज़ार में गोल्डी के मसाले की एक शान है।
Now, behind every success story, there are many challenges, and it was no different for Goldie Group. Listen into how the company managed to overcome its initial struggles in order to cement its position in the market. Thank you so much, गोएंका जी, हमारे साथ बातचीत करने के लिए। तो पहले आप बताइए गोल्डी ग्रुप की जर्नी के बारे में। आपने कैसे शुरुआत की और जिस मुकाम तक आप पहुँचे उसके बारे में बताइए।
स्पाइसेस का बिजनेस हमारे मित्र सुरेंद्र गुप्ता जी जो हैं उनका थर्ड जनरेशन से है। फुटकर का काम था, मैं बॉम्बे रहता था, तो वहाँ से हम लोग साथ आ रहे थे। तो रास्ते में झांसी के ऊपर माँ ने कहा कि हाथ मुँह धो लो, तो मैं नीचे उतरा तो मेरा पैर स्लिप कर गया और फ्रैक्चर हो गया। उस ज़माने में इतनी टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं होती थी, तो ईंटें लटका के और 3 महीने हम पड़े रहे बेड के ऊपर। उस समय मेरा बड़ा बेटा आकाश जो है वो 6 महीने का था। तो उसी में तमाम डिस्कशन हुआ करते थे, सुबह शाम सुरेंद्र जी आते थे, तो वैसे बात चली। तो मैंने कहा यार तुम क्यों नहीं पैकेट के अंदर मसाले निकाल देते हो? तो बोले अकेले तो मेरे बस का नहीं है, तो अगर तुम आ जाओ तो मैं आ जाऊँ तो मतलब तो फिर मैं आग लगा दूंगा। इतना जोश था उसके साथ में। और मैं बॉम्बे में मेरे का एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट का बिजनेस था, मेरे को फुर्सत नहीं थी। फिर भोलेनाथ की जैसी इच्छा, उसी बेड के ऊपर ये मसाले का बिजनेस का स्टार्ट का हम लोग का स्टार्ट फाइनल हुआ और गोल्डी वी हैव स्टार्टेड ऑन दैट बेड।
नाइस। तो शुरुआत के दिनों में आपने कौन से चैलेंजेस को फेस किया, क्या क्या कठिनाइयाँ आई, तो उसके बारे में बताइए।
चैलेंजेस तो हमारे लाइफ के साथ और इस बिज़नेस के साथ तो बहुत अहम है, क्योंकि उस ज़माने में पीसे मसाले लूज़ का बहुत कम चलन था। हर घर में मसाले खुद ही कूटे पीसे जाते थे और पैक मसाले खरीदने का चलन नहीं था, लोग उसको अप्रिशिएट नहीं करते थे। दूसरा, जो एक दो ब्रांड उस समय मार्केट में थे, उनके सामने हम एक नया ब्रांड लेकर के जाते थे तो लोग हमको उतना इंटरटेन नहीं करते थे, बट बिकॉज ऑफ आवर क्वालिटी एंड पैकिंग एंड अदर ब्रांड से कम रेट पर जब हम दुकानदार के पास जाते थे, उससे बात करते थे, उसको अपना पैकेट फाड़ करके उसको दिखाते थे कि देखिए, तो थोड़ी सी वो लिफ्ट देता था। बट हमारी एक इच्छा थी, हमारी एक शक्ति थी, हमारे अंदर एक बहुत बड़ा भगवान की कृपा थी, बुजुर्गों का आशीर्वाद था कि हमको अपने माल में दम है और कम पैसों में हम बेच रहे हैं। हम अपने इस एक्सपीरियंस से यूथ को, आगे आने वाली पीढ़ी को एक यही मैसेज देना चाहते हैं कि बेटा अपनी पावर को, अपने कॉन्फिडेंस को कभी लूज नहीं करने का और अपने माल में इतनी दम रखो कि किसी भी तरीके से उसको आदमी इग्नोर नहीं कर पाए।
The Goldie Group has come a long way from its humble beginnings as a single small unit. Today, the company boasts sprawling state-of-the-art and sophisticated facilities spread over an area of 56,400 square yards. The company also utilizes a vast array of Indian machines capable of processing up to 60,000 kilograms daily to meet the demands of the global spice industry. The group is dedicated to producing only high-quality raw materials. Physical testing and cleaning are carried out on each material prior to grinding it into the final product. Surinder Gupta, co-founder and director of Goldie Group, brings with him extensive knowledge and experience in the spice industry that have been invaluable in the growth and expansion of the business from its inception.
सन 80 में मसाले का ये व्यापार शुरू हुआ, तो वो जो रिटेल शॉप से जो ट्रेनिंग मिली, फिर जो मार्केट में सहयोग मिला और एक शौक़ था हमारा कि हर प्रोड्यूसिंग सेंटर में जा करके माल ख़रीदना, रिटेल के लिए प्रोड्यूसिंग सेंटर से माल ख़रीदना। उससे निश्चित रूप से हमको क्वालिटी की, रेट्स की और सबके प्यार की जानकारी मिली। इस तरह से हमने अपना काम को चला रहे हैं, बढ़ा रहे हैं।
The third generation of leaders has embarked on a path towards driving the company's growth and has been instrumental in raising its standards.
हर कोई ये चाहता है कि हमारी आने वाली पीढ़ी और आने वाली पीढ़ियाँ हम लोगों की मेहनत को सफल बनाएं। हम लोगों ने मेहनत करी, साइकिल से, स्कूटर से चलते चलते यहाँ तक पहुँचे। इसलिए नहीं पहुँचे कि हमारे बच्चे भी साइकिल और स्कूटर चलाएंगे। आज उनको जो फील्ड दी गई उस पर वो तीनों बच्चे हमारे बहुत मेहनत से अपनी अपनी जगह काम कर रहे हैं। उसका फल भी दिख रहा है और फ्यूचर भी दिख रहा है। तो हमारी तो ऊपर वाले से यही प्रार्थना है कि वो इन तीनों बच्चों को खूब सरसब्ज करें, आपस में खूब प्यार है, खूब एक दूसरे के साथ सहयोग करते हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ आगे बढ़ रहे हैं।
On that note, we'll take a quick break here. We'll be back shortly. Stay tuned. Welcome back. You're watching Leaders of Tomorrow, and right now I'm inside the control room of the Goldie Group factory. This is where they monitor and control all their business processes from. Now, before the break, we spoke about how the brand was established by its co-founders. With the next generation of leaders coming in, they're also bringing with themselves a newer vision and a fresher approach. Listen into how the brand is now planning to venture into new markets and products.
The next generation of leaders at the Goldie Group has introduced new innovations and technology of the best quality. For instance, the company's Mandhana plant in Kanpur is fully automated and features technology that maintains a constant temperature of 5 degrees, ensuring the preservation of the spice's flavor and nutrition value. This has not only improved the quality of the final product, but also increased production capacity. The company aims to achieve 3 times the growth with this plant.
In the company, primarily I look after production and packaging, along with finance and channel sales. We've introduced one of the finest technologies in the company since very beginning, and I can say proudly and humbly that at Goldie, we are always ahead of time in terms of high-speed packaging machines or be it grinding capacities. Recently, we've been able to make one of the Asia's biggest spices unit under one roof, where we have the latest cryogenic grinding as well. And to complement it in the industry, I would say we have been lucky to be one of the biggest investors in terms of production capacity or packaging machines or the latest human-friendly, eco-friendly packaging materials as well. Change in Goldie has been since the promoters, since this generation. But if I talk about my generation, so I was lucky that our older generation gave us free hands to work. So in the year of 2002, we were first in the industry to have ISO certified, HACCP certified. We were again the first in the industry, which was a wow factor for us, where we introduced Microsoft Navision, the ERP, for the first time in the spices arena all over. Also, we got Yanmar power plant from Japan in the year of 2007, followed by our 5 megawatt independent feeder in the year of 2010, again enhancing it by another 5 megawatt in 2016.
The Goldie Group has firmly established a comprehensive and impactful corporate social responsibility practice as an integral part of the company's ethos and actively works towards it.
It's always said that what you gain from, you should give it back. And like it's the same thing we've learned from our elders, and we have been lucky, I thank God, that they've equipped us to help, and in nurturing that, we've gone way ahead by doing many CSR activities in terms of giving oxygen plants during COVID in the city of Varanasi, also helping a very big cancer institute which is being opened in Mumbai, especially for the mouth cancer patients. At the same time, we've been able to help the Spastics Center build a very huge OPD, a free OPD for the underprivileged, and recently we've been able to adopt many students for their education throughout their post-graduation till wherever they want to do. And also, we have a set percentage, we have a set target where we always look forward and go ahead, go beyond measures to help the needy.
To demonstrate their commitment to providing high-quality products, the Goldie Group established Asia's largest cryogenically powered spice mixing and grinding plant in 2019. This state-of-the-art facility has the capacity to produce 200 tons of spices per shift. The fully automatic giant plant requires minimal human interference, which in turn helps in maintaining high product quality with maximum hygiene. Shubham, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
So, I want to first begin by asking you about your role, your responsibilities, and your area of expertise in the company.
Talking about my role in a company, I've been given the role to procurement of all the raw material around the globe, new product research and developments, quality controls, and new projects executions.
Nice. Right. So tell me something, if you can also talk about your vision for the company over the next 5 years. Where do you see this headed, this business headed?
So we are not restricted to here only what we have done till now, and we are looking very keenly forward to become a complete household and food solution in coming years. And if we see by the revenues which company is always evaluated with, so we are working very sharply on it to at least get the 3 folds from here in coming 5 years.
Right. You know, we are here in this really beautiful manufacturing unit in Kanpur, and I'm really keen to understand some of the manufacturing processes. You know, for instance, you know, this is a monitor which you're seeing. What does this do?
So actually, we have recently set up this unit, and it is the most advanced spice unit, and we are happy to say that this unit will make India proud because it's the biggest integrated automatic plant in entire Asia.
Right.
So from here, all the controls are managed from the machines, because conventional it was all manual. So now every control is done by this HMI, and none of our product is hand touched. From feeding to grading to cleaning, grinding, blending and packaging. So the final product comes in the pouches for the consumer.
Are there any new products that you're planning to launch this year?
Yeah, we are always looking forward to see the market demands and bring new products. So there are a line of products we are coming up with, the spices, pickles, tea, noodles, etc. And in couple of months we are coming up with our entire new range of ready-to-cook products. So we will be coming up with our pan-India network in the launch, and it would be a great success surely.
In India, spices have been used as medicines since ancient times. Goldie Group's products reflect these same traditional values and play a crucial role in maintaining overall health. As such, all the produced materials undergo lab testing to assess their purity and quality. The testing adheres to FSSAI standards and only proceeds to packaging after receiving approval. At the packaging plant, spices are categorized, weighed and packaged in sachets and boxes for market distribution. All packaging is done by automatic machines. Thank you so much, Sudeep, for inviting us to your home and also giving us a sneak peek into your workplace, into your factory. It's been wonderful.
Thank you.
And you're also joined by Samarth. Hi, Samarth, Sudeep's son, and he's the next generation of leaders shaping up Goldie Group. I want to begin this by asking you to talk to us about your role, your responsibilities, and your area of expertise at Goldie Group.
So I look after the entire sales and marketing of the group, and my role is to expand the entire network of Goldie, which started in the city of Kanpur, to make it pan-India and international worldwide. And I also look into the licensing, government contracts, and also about upgradation of the technology with information technology, which plays a very, very important role in the company today, and how our entire organization is seamlessly communicating on different electronic platforms. Like we have a Salesforce automation, we have a dealer management system getting installed as we talk, we have a great ERP system with Microsoft Business Central. So that's my role. I'm an industrial engineer.
Sudeep, what according to you sets Goldie Group apart from competition, apart from all the other players that are present in the market? What is your USP?
So Goldie Group, as you have spoken to my elders, started by my grandfather and my uncle and my dad, we have always set our own pace. We have never looked at any other brand, any other category, and rather we have great relations with all the competitors we have in the country. Secondly, the combination of youth and experience what we have at Goldie, not only at the management level, but also amongst our team, and how welcoming we are towards technology and innovation. That sets us apart in Goldie. And the openness that our elders have towards upgradation, towards innovation, towards new products, I think that is amazing. One more thing that sets us apart, it's a family business. The two families are involved, and also apart from spices, we make pickles, we make noodles, instant noodles. We are the only brand in the country who makes it in rice bran oil.
So tell me, Salman Khan is the brand ambassador of the company. How has that helped the brand? And are you also looking at enlisting more influencers and celebrities to join the brand?
So it's a very good question, and it took almost 38 years to have a brand ambassador. The reason we took Salman as a brand ambassador because of 4-5 different things. Number one, health. Secondly, family values. Apart from at a stardom he still inculcates those family values where the father, brother, everyone stays together. Number three, he is a mass brand, and Goldie as a product, as spices, is not only serving only the niche. We serve in the tier 3, tier 4, and also in the top buildings of Mumbai.
Sure.
Apart from that, we as a product don't make anything injurious to health, and I think my father spoke about that. And lastly, most important, it's a legacy business.
So, our show is called Leaders of Tomorrow, and you guys are the next gen leaders for the brand, for Goldie Group. Tell me, what is your vision for the company going forward?
So vision is very clear. We aspire to be the most respected brand across the world. We want to serve every kitchen, and apart from taste, we want to be the health brand.
The Goldie Group's business has increased and expanded significantly as a result of its consistent growth and the popularity of its high-quality aromatic Goldie Masala spices. With its commitment to quality, taste and aroma, the brand is poised to win the hearts of customers both in India and around the world, building strong relationships in every household it reaches.
With that, it's a wrap on this edition of Leaders of Tomorrow. We hope you enjoyed the conversations and our very special feature. Thank you and goodbye.